Alright, hello guys. Today we're doing Monkey Marathon in a horror mode and on Monkey Minute. So we're gonna have to mess with him and call him a stupid monkey. Hey, where's stupid monkey at? Where's stupid monkey at? Hey. What's going on? What's going on? Where's stupid monkey?
I'm out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he can't come.
He's still right there. He's still right there. He's gonna come around. He's gonna come around. Is he coming?
I don't know.
Is he coming?
I'll hit you whenever you blink.
Stupid monkey.
Baby.
Shut up. Is he coming?
I'm out.
It's still. Oh. Where's that? Where's the monster?
Right down here.
No, stop. Come on.
Yo.
There's a cat. Bro, what is Ball Supply doing? What is Ball Supply doing?
Bro, what if we can go in one of...
Come on.
What if we can go in one of the paintings?
Meta, come on. It's a monster.
Wait, can you cut the video so I can save this? Can you cut the video so I can save this?
I'll cut it when I'm finished. But oh, it was right there. Just say it.
Okay, so when is the owner gonna get here?
Dude, you can't say that.
Why you can't say it?
Actually, you can say it. Actually.
Well, just cut it out of the video then.
It's right there.
Just edit it out of the video, like.
I just saw it. It was right there. It was right there. I heard it.
But just edit those words out of the video that I just said.
I edited that shit. Oh shoot! Get out of here.
Bro, he just zoomed by. That bro was like, no. Oh god, get back. Oh god. Now this is actually horror mode.
Come on, let's go. You go, check. That's on. No, bro.
Oh god, he can. That son of a mom can come over here.
Please don't block it.
Yo, Bron James, come here.
Oh shit! Man, bro, stop!
Yo,
Bron James, come on!
LeBron, come here.
LeBron, come on, dude! LeBron!
Go. No, I accidentally found